Saving with Shay, and I'm here for my midweek. After my last video, I got another bonus that popped up. It's called the turkey trotter, turkey trotter. Anyways, whatever. It's turkey something. And for that, I need 20 offers for $7, which is so freaking awesome. I always try my hardest to be patient in hopes that I would get a decent midweek. And so for my midweek, I need 6 offers for $3, which I ain't mad at it. So I need a total of 20 offers today for $10. Now, I'm really going to be, I'm going to try to be a little bit more strategic when it comes to doing my bonuses. I'm hoping that once I finish the trotter one, that another one will pop up. Hopefully, crossing my fingers. And so if I do anything extra, it'll be on a separate receipt that I can submit later. Right? But if you're new here, yes. If you are new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Make sure you smash like button, support your girl. And don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on by ringing your notification bell so you never miss a video. As far as my points, listen, I had 5 cash out since my last video on MyPoints. So we are starting today off with a $50 money maker, y'all, which is so freaking amazing. Now, if you've been under a rock, like you've been under a freaking rock in a cave somewhere, then MyPoints, you know what? It's not even a glitch. We're gonna call it a promotion. We need a jazzy name for it, y'all. Something catchy. We're gonna call it the Get Your Money promo. Get your money, because they obviously want us to get the money. And I know we hear like, okay, I got all the money. I got it all. That's me. I got it all. I got all the money. I could barely hold it, but I got it. And so, editing Shay here, I lost my whole train of thought. What I was going to say was, if you've been living under a rock, you may not be aware that on MyPoints, it's costing you the same amount of points for a $15 PayPal gift card as it is for a $25 PayPal gift card. So obviously, you want to get your $25 one for 2,400 points. So your girl is cashing out. Whenever she hits 2,400, I'm cashing out with the quickness. I think I'm pending like, gosh, maybe 7 or 8 gift cards. You know, you can cash out twice a day. And this morning I got up at 2:30. I checked. I was able to cash out real quick. Ching ching, it's done. Now I'm waiting until after midnight because I could cash out again now, but well, I can't cash out now because I already did today. So I'm waiting for after midnight so I can cash out again. But and I've been doing surveys, y'all. Under, I would say 500. I'm doing surveys on my desktop just because it's easier than using my phone. But yeah, I be at the gym on a treadmill doing surveys. I'm not even joking, y'all. Trying to hit it as fast as I can. Try to get it while it lasts, because like I told y'all, this has been going for like since the first of last month. And that's why I say it's not a glitch, because companies they're not gonna just let something right out like this. No, not like this. And so yeah, so with that being said, we're gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl, I always stutter when it comes to that part. If you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching.
I know. Hi, y'all. I know you guys are probably tired of seeing this. It's like Jimmy Dean for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, snacks, midnight snack. Anyways, listen, so I have to do this deal again, y'all, on the Jimmy Deans on the griddles. They are priced at $6.26 for this. I did grab a total of 4 of them. I paid $25.04. I'm getting back 1,190 points on MyPoints, which is $7.43 times 2, and then $1.82 for each on checkout 51, brings them down to 67 cents each. And then I also grabbed the biscuits again. I'm not even gonna lie, the 8 boxes I got yesterday are like in my refrigerator in the garage. Like I have no freezer space. And so I grabbed the biscuits again. They're priced at $7.53. I went ahead and maxed it out and grabbed 4. Now, a few of you guys be asking questions about the sister apps and how to read the deals. If it's a buy 2, get back 7, and it's a limit of 2 receipt submissions per month, then you can max it out and grab 4 on 1 receipt. Or you can do 2 separate receipts with 2 boxes each. I usually just max it out And so for this, I grabbed 4 of them, again, priced at $7.53. Ended up paying $30.12 out of pocket, getting back 1,190 points, or $7.43 on MyPoints times 2, and then 182 times 4 on Checkout 51, and then last but not least, $1.50 times 4 on Ibotta. Makes these only 49 cents. Next deal we're gonna grab again is on the Coca Classics hot chocolate. It's the Arctic White one that's on clearance for me at 50 cents, and then the raspberry one is 75 cents. Getting back 15 cents on Ibotta makes these only 35 cents. So this next deal is on the cream of wheat. They only have the instant package. I'm not sure if it'll work on that one. I was gonna get the box price at $4.52. Getting back 300 kicks on Shopkick, which is $120. 128 points on MyPoints, which is 80 cents, 50 cents on Checkout 51. It makes it $2.02. All right, so this next deal is on the Keebler. It's on the graham cracker crust. They are priced at $3.12. They have the 9-inch. They have these little mini ones, which I was actually thinking of getting. I think they're super duper cute. So for this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. Again, priced at $3.12. You will end up paying $6.24, getting back $2 on Ibotta, which is $1 for each. 340 points on MyPoints, which is $2.12, making them only $1.06 each. So next up is the trivia. It's on the brown sugar blend. It's priced at $6.88. We're going to grab 1 of them, getting back $1.75 on Ibotta. There's also $2 on Checkout 51, 340 points, which is $2.12 on MyPoints, bringing this down to $1.01. All right, so next up is the Pringles Original. This is a Flavor Wiki deal for you. I've noticed with Flavor Wiki, besides the fact that they're doing a lot. Hey, Flavor Wiki, we know you be watching. I know you be watching. Hey, boo. Get it together. Get it together. They've been doing a lot. But this one popped up this morning. I was like, okay, this is pretty easy. All right. Now I've noticed one thing with the surveys, they don't have a share link until after you finish it. So for this, it's on the Pringles Original. They're priced at $2 and you're getting back $3.50 on Flavor Wiki, making this $1.50 moneymaker. I wish that we had a gazillion of other chips to go with this one, but for now, it's just this one. So this next deal is gonna be on the all. I have an offer on Fetch. I want to say spend 20, get 150, I believe. Anyways, this set should get me back that extra $1.50 plus $1 for buying the 2. So we're gonna grab the one that's usually here. It's priced at $4.47. And of course, we're grabbing the dryer sheets again, priced at $3.74. Let's pretend that this one that says Oxy, it's the one that has a little flower on it. All right, so the 2 is gonna come to $8.21. For this, I actually forgot I had the offers activated for Walmart Rewards. So I got back 50 cents less than I would if I had submitted the receipt on Ibotta. So I'm getting back a total of $2.50 from Walmart Rewards, 340 points on MyPoints, which is $2.12, and $2.50 on Fetch. Makes them only 54 cents. Next deal is on the Glade air fresheners. They're priced at $2.28. Now for this, you're gonna grab a total of 1 of them, getting back $1 on Ibotta. There's also 170 points on MyPoints, which is a 106, making it 22 cents. Now I did order some IPs, which I know, surprise, I haven't ordered IPs in a long time. So I'm gonna try. Well, I did it yesterday. It hasn't reset yet, so I'm gonna do it again. Use the coupons and see if it works. And I will let you guys know how it works out. Okay, so I went ahead and grabbed this deal again on the Colgate Cavity Protection for Kids. It's priced at $128. Now for this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. You'll pay $2.56, getting back $2 on Ta-Da, bringing these down to only 28 cents each. I went ahead and maxed out and grabbed 4. All right, guys. So this next deal is on the Mucinex. It's on the Insta Soothers. They're priced at $2.97. You want to grab 2 of them. You'll pay $5.94, getting back $2 on Ibotta. There's also 510 points on MyPoints, which is $3.18, making them 38 cents each. Now, you might have offers on Fetch Reward. I do not. And so definitely don't forget to check there as well. All right, and then the last deal that I'm going to be grabbing is on the Airborne. One of you guys hit me up and let me know about this deal. I went ahead and grabbed 1 for Walmart Rewards, even though you're only getting back $1, and the other one for Ibotta. So you're grabbing 1, priced at $8.37. You're going to get back $2 on Ibotta, $3 on ShopMium, 1,000 kicks on Shopkick, which is $4, 510 points on MyPoints, which is $3.18, making this a $3.81 money. All right, guys, so here is our complete haul for today. This worked out really, really amazing. Like I said in the intro clip, we started off with the $50 moneymaker. All right, so I felt like really we could only go up from there. And I only needed 20 offers. The Glade, okay, the coupon with that one, it did work for me. I bought 4, used 4 printables. I went to self-checkout. They scanned perfectly fine. And I did get back the 4 on Ibotta for that. But my IP expires the 5th today. So, and I probably could have used the rest of them just to get rid of them, but I really just didn't want to be honest. I had to put in 3 or 4 tickets for this haul. And I think a lot of that has to do with the fact that all of the receipts were going into review. And if the system wasn't picking it up, then, you know, we had to put a ticket in. One of them was the biscuits, the chicken biscuits. So I put a ticket in for that. Hopefully it works out. MyPoints, I would say out of all of the sister apps, their customer service seems to be the best for me, or at least in my opinion. But if for some reason I don't get the credit for that, which would be $14, it's going back to the store. I have no choice. I mean, I'm not going to pay, that was what, $30 for those 4 boxes? I've been giving these away, y'all. I'm not paying $30 for something I'm going to give away. I'm not even trying to pay $30 if I'm about to eat. I'm not going to do that. So hopefully it works out. If it does, and we'll keep it and we'll donate it. If not, it goes back to the store. We'll donate it back to the store. Oh, really quick, I did put a post up on my community tab. The 5th of the month, we get our bonus points for the month, for the previous month, for MyPoints and Swagbucks. So I got my emails earlier today, and I think this was the most I've ever gotten on MyPoints back. In bonus points, I got back $11 in bonus points. I think Swagbucks, I got back like $2 and some change, not even $3. So definitely check. Other than that, y'all, let's just breeze through this. So everything you see here retails $124.97. I'll pop up my sales tax because I haven't added that up yet. I had $4 in coupons. Again, that was for the Glade. They scan perfectly fine in self-checkout. Out of pocket came down to $120.97. And then getting back $105.62 from MyPoints. Ibotta is $30.25. Checkout 51 is $16.56. Shopkick is $8. Tada is $7. Flavor Wiki was $5.50. Now for Flavor Wiki, I did have a survey that was for $2. Got back $3.50 for Walmart rewards. Swagbucks was $2.66. That was just the bonus points for last month. And Fetch Reward was $2.50. So we walk away with a total of $181.59 in rebates, making everything you see here free, plus a $60.62 moneymaker, you guys. We made $60 on this haul. Editing Shay here again. So I decided to do a giveaway to show my appreciation for you guys. My last video hit over 5,000 views, which is awesome. So to say thank you, I want to see whatever our emoji is. I want to see it in the comments, and I will do the giveaway in my next Walmart video. So good luck to you guys, and thanks again for watching. If you get to the end of the video, I appreciate you guys watching. Josiah, what was our emoji again?
Rat and cheese.
Oh, he said cheese. You said cheese at first though, right? He said cheese. And then he said a backup is a rat, since rats eat cheese. And I was like, but do rats really eat cheese? Or is that just something that you see on the cartoons? Because I don't know, do rats really eat cheese? Anyway, other than that, I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.